Hey, what's up guys? So Honor will launch the Honor X40 5G smartphone on September 15 in China. The smartphone will offer good specifications and will be one of the best mid-range 5G smartphone if Honor keeps the pricing attractive. And now Digital Chat Station has revealed its entire specifications. According to him, the device weighs 172 grams and will be one of the lightest smartphones on the market. And now let's talk about its other specifications. The device will flaunt a 6.67-inch OLED display with 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. It will be a curved edge display that will support 120Hz high refresh rate with a single centered punch hole for the selfie camera. It will also support high frequency PWM protection dimming and 10-bit color depth. As for the cameras, the tipster reveals that the device will come with a dual camera setup at the back, where the main camera is gonna be a 50 megapixel lens, but sadly there won't be any ultra wide angle lens. Instead, the main camera will be paired with a 2 megapixel lens. Both the cameras will be housed in a ring shaped camera module. On the front, there will be an 8 megapixel selfie camera. So definitely I have to say the camera setup really disappoints me. Honor should have given an ultra wide angle lens. Anyway, moving on, the Honor X40 5G will be powered by the Snapdragon 695 SoC. It's a popular mid-range 5G SoC. We've seen this chipset on many smartphones. It's a capable processor and you won't be disappointed. The device will get its power from a 5100 mAh battery with 40-watt fast charging support. It could be offered with 6 and 8GB RAM and storage would be 128 and 256GB. On the software front, the device will run Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12. So that's all we know about the Honor X40 5G smartphone, and what you guys think about this, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.